Do you want to know how you can log into your Luxottica Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Luxottica Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar to search for Luxottica Payroll Login. Then what you need to do is click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Luxottica. So after you click on that link, it will take you to the site. Now the first step is to write down your username. Go ahead and write down your username in the first box which is over here. After you write down your username associated with your Luxottica Payroll account, go ahead to the second box and write down your password. Make sure to check your password by clicking on this icon over here. After you write down your username and password, go ahead and click Login. This way, you can easily log into your Luxottica Payroll account. So it's quite simple. All you need to do is go to the browser and search for Luxottica Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. Write down your username and password associated with your account and then click Login. And if in case you have forgotten your password, there is a link called Forgotten Password. Click on that link and then you can write down your email address in the box and then you can reset your account quite easily. So guys, this is how you log into your Luxottica Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention it on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.